टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योर सेल्फ। ये एक ऐसा क्वेश्चन है जो आपको हर IIM, हर बी स्कूल, जहाँ भी जाओगे 100% योर इंटरव्यू विल स्टार्ट विद दिस क्वेश्चन, राइट? और आई वुड से 90 to 99% योर इंटरव्यू विल स्टार्ट विद कि टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योर सेल्फ, टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योर जर्नी, राइट? एंड आई हैव रिव्यूड अराउंड 20 to 25 प्लस क्वेश्चंस, जहाँ पे काफ़ी लोगों ने अपना टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योर सेल्फ का रिव्यू मेरे से पूछा। एंड बिलीव मी, आउट ऑफ 25 क्वेश्चंस 20 आंसर्स ऐसे थे जो कि लोगों ने बस कुछ भी लिख दिया। देयर वॉज नो स्टोरी बिहाइंड दैट, देयर वॉज नो रीजनिंग बिहाइंड दैट, देयर वॉज नो, आई वुड से, अ क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर ऑल्सो, राइट? तो टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योर सेल्फ इज़ योर फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन ऑन द पैनल, एंड वहाँ से काफ़ी चीज़ें आपके बारे में जज भी होंगी। एंड टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योर सेल्फ ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको बहुत एक बहुत आई वुड से एक ग्लैमर उसमें लाना है, या उसमें आपको वो चीज़ें डालनी है जो आपने कभी नहीं की, या उसमें बहुत कुछ हाईलाइट करना है जो आपने कभी नहीं किया है, जिसके बारे में आप नहीं जानते अच्छे से, राइट? टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योर सेल्फ शुड बी द ऑनेस्ट आंसर, बिकॉज यहाँ से द इंटरव्यूअर विल पिक सम थिंग्स अबाउट यू एंड देन they will start questioning that, or they will ask more things, more related things about that part, right? So tell me something about yourself में आपको I would say 2 दिन, 3 दिन, 4 दिन देने चाहिए, right? To polish it, to make it better, right? And उसका starting point आपका होना चाहिए, right? Start from your day of birth, right? जब आप पैदा हुए, right? The day you born, start writing your story from that day, right? Where did you born, and about your family, right? What does your father do, what does your mother do, right? Write everything around that, right? How did you grow up, right? In which school you took admission, how was your childhood, then 10th की journey, 12th तक की journey, then how did you make your decision कि आपको commerce लेनी है, this लेना है, क्या लेना है, right? Then shift to the graduation, what you did, which degree you pursued, why did you go for that, what was the reasoning behind that, how you explored the different areas, mention about extracurricular, co-curricular activities, about the internships that you did during your graduation, about the subjects you liked the most during your graduation, or maybe the research papers, or maybe some of the well-known teachers with whom you have worked, right? So वो सब आप वहाँ पे mention करो, so that interviewers get a broad idea कि what type of person you are, right? Mention any other professional qualification if you have pursued, right? Apart from that, then you can move to the work experience. If you have work experience, right, you can tell more about your work experience, what you do, how is your day look like, right? And then you can also say some things about your hobbies, about your passions, what you do in your free time, right? So this should be a good to go order, right? You can start from your family, you can start with yourself, with some information about yourself, then about your school time, then about your class 12th, then about your graduation. More focus should be on the graduation part, because this is one of the recent events, and this is one of the place where we grew a lot and where we did a lot of things, right? So वहाँ पे just mention about how it went, what you did, how you participated in different things. Maybe you might be heading some XYZ events, XYZ society, do mention about that. But also please, I would say it would be a very good point if you keep some of the good pointers value driven or action driven, right? You achieved this thing, you achieved that thing. If you can mention that about what was the impact of the work you did, right? For example, you distributed some XYZ blankets in the XYZ community. What was the thought behind that, what was the value addition, how it came up, and all that stuff. अगर आप वो mention करोगे, then it would look more good, then, and it would make sense also, right? Same with the internship. You participated or you did internship at XYZ place. What did you learn out of that, or how it brought a change in the environment or in the company, right? Do mention that. Same goes with the WorkX if you're doing XYZ WorkX, right? And then see, when you, and the typical length should be around 1.5 to 2 minutes. 2 minutes is also long, right? If you start speaking or start listening to someone for 2 minutes, you will feel that it's a very long span of time. So at that time, there will be complete silence in the room and you will be the only person who is presenting सो वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा लंबा हो जाता है. सो आई वुड से वेन एवर यू गो फॉर एन इंटरव्यू, राइट, कीप इट कॉन्वर्सेशनल, राइट, डोंट टर्न इट इन टू अ मोनोलॉग. दैट इज द फर्स्ट एडवाइस. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आई वुड से कि 1.5 के मिनट्स के अराउंड रखो, राइट. फर्स्ट put all the, I would say, everything that you have done in your life so far, put it in MS Word or in Excel sheet, wherever you want to, right. After that, keep cutting the answers, right. Start selecting or deselect some of the things which are not important. Select the things which are important, which you feel that should be there in your tell me about yourself, right. So mentors can help you structure the thoughts in a better manner. Mentor can help you कि ये information आपको यहाँ put करनी है, ये information को include कर सकते हो, exclude कर सकते हो. But I think it would make much sense if you yourself decide कि कौन सी information you should include in the tell me something about yourself, because you will be the person in the interview who will be backing up all this information, right. If you don't know the backstory, because why you did this, why you did not pursue this XYZ stream, why you pursued this XYZ stream, why you did not participate here, why you did not do internships, right, I think you as a interviewee would have better idea about that. So please include the things according to your own way कि मुझे क्या इंक्लूड करना चाहिए, क्या इंक्लूड नहीं करना चाहिए इन द टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योर सेल्फ, राइट. देन प्रैक्टिस द टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योर सेल्फ 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10 times, right. I know a lot of students who are not very good when it comes to the communication skills, or some students are very low at the confidence. So my advice is ki at least show the confidence and tell me something about yourself, because this is one of the most expected questions, right. अगर आप इसके लिए भी prepared नहीं हो तो कहीं ना कहीं पैनल को ये भी लगता है कि you are not at all ready for the interview part, right. There may be some ups and downs when it comes to spontaneous questions, or when it comes to the most unexpected questions. But when the interviewer starts asking you the very obvious questions, right, what are your strengths and weakness, tell me something about yourself, this and that, तो वहाँ पे everyone expects कि यार थोड़ा सा आपको एक अच्छी नॉलेज होनी चाहिए, है ना. And there should be a way to present that, and you should have rehearsed that specific question 5-6 times before your final interview, right. So maybe you can record yourself, maybe you can speak in front of mirror, maybe you can practice it with your mentor, and then you can ask suggestions from them, right. So this would be a better approach, right. And I would say after that, once you finalize the script part or the writing part for tell me about yourself, right, keep practicing it, right, and be confident when you are speaking, right. Don't go too fast, don't go I would say too slow also, right. Plus also highlight each and every word in your Word document, कि आपको हर चीज जो भी आप whatever you are speaking, right, make sure you know each and everything around that. For example, I am speaking my name is Pallav, then I should know what is the meaning of Pallav. If I say that I pursued my graduation, or I did graduate from Hindu College, University of Delhi, so I should know something about Hindu College, I should know something about University of Delhi, I should know the famous personalities who have pursued their graduation in Hindu College. I should know something about economic honors, I should know something about the societies in which I was there, right. Because otherwise it would seem कि आप बस कुछ भी बोल रहे हो, right. For example, if I say that I worked at ICICI Bank, so I should know who is the CEO of the ICICI Bank, what is the motive of the ICICI Bank, when was the ICICI Bank established, what are the controversies around the ICICI Bank, right. What is the share price of the ICICI Bank, right. These questions might not decide your final selection, but it reflects a lot of things, right. It reflects a lot of things about you, whether you are aware about what you are speaking, because obviously if you are not aware about something which the panel has asked you, right, it makes sense कि ठीक है, maybe you are not aware, right, you can't be aware about all the things that exist today, but if you are not aware about what you are speaking, then it reflects very badly on your part, right. So be prepared about that. So this is my gyan about the tell me something about yourself. If you want me to cover some other questions also, please tell me in the comment section. Thank you.